to Craft Time. I am Miss Mindy and I work with the Salt Lake County's Magna branch. And this is my helper today, Brielle. And we are going to make this super cute handprint bunny just in time for spring. And it should be a fun craft. This craft idea came from Simple Everyday Mom. Her name is Sam. She has a great site and has wonderful ideas all the time. And this one especially too can be changed to pretty much any animal you want, but we're going to do the bunny today. So thanks for joining us, and we'll get started on the craft and all the things that you need.
Let's go.
Okay, so to start on this craft, these are the things you need at least. So you can get cardstock paper or construction paper. Here I have 3 different colors, but you can pick whatever color you want. You're going to need some scissors, a pencil, marker, crayons, something for eyes. I have both googly eyes and the marker to use for the eyes, and something for whiskers. So this is just Q-tips, or I found some fake grass that you can use. Just whatever you can find around your house will work. And then for nose, I went and found these leftover heart stickers, or a cotton ball, pom-pom, whatever you can find. And of course you're gonna need your glue, what other kind of glue you would like. And then I just grabbed this little extra piece for use for hair to add a little touch later, but you just do whatever you like. So the first place you're going to start is by tracing the hand. The hand is for the bunny ears. So Brielle, my helper, go ahead and stick your hand up there. Okay, and we're just going to go ahead and help her trace her hand. Okay, and now let's do the other hand. This side. Can you get them both to fit? Okay, and then this is your bunny ears. So I'm gonna have her cut those out, and then also, while she's working on that, go ahead and cut out those. I went ahead and cut out the face. I just tried to make the best shape I can, kind of not exactly a circle, but more of an oval shape, and this will serve as the face, but I wanted my bunny to have good chubby cheeks, so this is the face. Okay, so now we have the bunny ears cut out, and the head, and you're welcome to make it any shape you want. It doesn't have to be perfect. I may make the head a little smaller here in a minute, but then the next thing you're going to do is take a different colored paper. I recommend a darker color than what you've got on your base, and you're going to make inserts here for the ears and then for the cheeks. So you're going to want to cut out 2 kind of oval looking shapes and then 2 circles for the cheeks. And that's the next step. Okay, so here she's tracing out kind of the insert for the inside, how she wants it, and then 2 circles for the cheeks. Perfect. Okay, and we'll get these cut out and assembled. Okay, so we cut out the insert and the cheeks. So we're going to have first, Brielle is going to glue the ear inserts on the ears. Okay, and as she finishes gluing on all of the pieces, after this, I had her draw a face, a smiley face, and eyes, and we glued on some whiskers using some fake grass that I had in the house. Okay, so we got the whiskers glued on. I just used a little bit of the tacky glue, the Aleene's tacky glue, but you can go ahead and use whatever glue you find that works. And then all she has left to do is to put the nose on. And she just chose a circle that we could glue on in foam. And that's it. Also, if you need more creative inspiration, go ahead and log on to the Salt Lake County webpage. That's the countylibrary.org or countylibrary.org and get to the creative bug. There's lots more different craft ideas that you can find there, and they are absolutely free of charge. I hope you guys enjoyed this craft. Thank you for joining us, and everyone stay safe and healthy and have an awesome day.